Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Sheikah, and today you guys, we're gonna be talking about my top 5 recommendations for perfumes for 2024. If you're interested in seeing what I picked up, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so the first perfume we're going to talk about, and I think it's a must-have in every woman's collection, is going to be none other than Miss Dior. You guys, oh my god, you guys can kind of see by this bottle, I have been using her up, you guys. She's kind of like halfway done, you guys. So freaking good. Let me tell you a little bit about her. I got my little notes, you guys. So for Miss Dior, you guys, she has like a spicy burst of grass rose swirls, jasmine, and a little bit of blood orange and juicy mandarin. You guys, she smells so freaking good, you guys. I put this on, I took my son to the barber shop, and his barber was like, oh my god, what do you have on? I need to get this for my wife. You guys, it smells so good. My husband did good with this one, you guys. It's actually a gift from my husband. Shout out to him, you guys. He did so good. But yeah, everybody, every time I put that perfume in, I go anywhere, you guys, everybody's like, oh my god, what do you have on? You have on, you smell so clean, you smell so fresh. You guys, Miss Dior does not miss, you guys. I'm telling you, no matter where I'm going, if I'm just running to the store, running some errands, I put her on, I'm like, oh my god, everybody's asking me like what I have on. It's Miss Dior, you guys. It smells so good. All right, my next recommendation, you guys, is going to be one that's very new. I actually got this recommended for me by one of my friends. So shout out to Raquel, thank you girl. But it's going to be Marc Jacobs Oh So Fresh. No, Ever So Fresh, because there's another version listed, but this one is the Ever So Fresh, you guys. Oh my god, it smells so clean, so feminine. I love this one. This is like, you just kind of like, you want to pop on, you want to do like fresh face, no makeup, you want to have one of those kind of low-key casual days, you guys. It smells so freaking good. Let me tell you a little about this one, you guys. I have my little notes on her as well. Where's she, girl? She is Ever So Fresh. So she is Dapper Sunshine, Radiant Rose Water, adding in a floral splash, cashmere woods wrapped in an airy fragrance, electric and warmth, you guys. You guys, so clean, so fresh. I'm telling you, like, you have to have this one in your collection. I've had the Daisy before, but the first version of it, you guys, this one Ever So Fresh. I mean, literally, it's so clean, so feminine. You want to pop it on. You're going to take, it's going to take a lot of it, you guys. A couple of little, you guys, you got to have this one. You got it. And I got the big bar in this one, you guys. I already kind of got a little dent in it, but you guys, I still have a lot more to go. You only allow this one, you guys. It smells so good. Yeah. Alright, so the next one, you guys, is going to be this Valentino Born in Roma. You guys, this one smells so good. This is like you want to go out, like date night. You want to have a little bit more like, this one lasts a long time. So you put it on, it's on your clothes for like days, literally. It smells so freaking good. It also has like a clean note to it as well. I got the small box too. I got it with someone I got for my birthday. I should have got the big bottle of. I was like, oh, I don't know if I really like it now. Let me just try it out. So I like it. I should have got the big bottle. I'm actually going back to get the big bottle of it because I already put a big in this, you guys. Like the little bottle is just not enough. I probably keep this as my travel perfume, but I definitely need to get the big bottle for home. And this one has, you guys, 3 major qualities. This one has like jasmine. It's very like luxuriously feminine, which is so freaking true. Hints of vanilla bourbon with expensive extract of the world. You guys, this is Valentino, my husband, he was like, he wants to put it on, and I heard it is unisex, so the men can wear it too. So he's been wearing this well, you guys. We both love it. I definitely get the big bottle because he likes to wear it as well. He's a perfume or cologne junkie, my husband is. He has so many of them, you guys. I'm just kind of new with my collection, but he's a cologne junkie. He was like, baby, this is the one. So this one smells really good, you guys. This is Valentino Born in Roma. Oh my god, you guys, I need to get a big bottle because this one is not enough. All right. The next one is on my list, you guys, is going to be this Joe Malone. You guys, I had been asking my husband for this thing for literally probably about a year or two. I was like, oh, I didn't get this Joe Malone, because I had been hearing the girls talk about it, you guys. I was like, I got to have it, I got to have it. And I wanted the cashmere and mimosa one. That's the one I ended up getting, you guys. This one was a pretty penny, I'm not gonna lie. So if you're new to your collection, you may want to wait. Either get this one first or get this one last, you guys, because this one is a pretty penny. I wanted this one was almost 200 if I'm not mistaken, but you guys, it's so worth it. It's so, you get so much of it as well, you guys. It's like pretty decent size bottom. I think I have the, what size do I have? I have the 3.4, you guys. I mean, it just smells expensive. It does. It smells so freaking good. It's so feminine, so luxurious. I just love it. Every time I put this on, I feel like I'm that girl. When I put this on, I'm like, yeah, I'm that girl. So that one has scents of a melody of amber, pistachio and woods, and a juicy, freshness of a juicy, just right pear, you guys. And it smells so clean. It's like a fruity kind of smell, but not overly fruity, but it smells like a sophisticated fruity, you guys. It just, when I put it on, it's like I'm that girl. Like I'm that girl when I put this on. So I love this one, you guys. This one is definitely one if you want to kind of splurge on yourself, treat yourself. This is definitely one for the books, for sure. So the next one on my list, you guys, that you have to try out if you're starting your collection in 2024 is going to be the MCM, you guys. She gets one, she's so cute. I love her packaging. Oh my god, look how cute this is, you guys. I love the gold. It is so freaking cute. You guys can kind of see, I love this packaging, guys. And this one smells so good. I want to pop my, I want to go out and I'm out when the girls are wanting to have drinks. I want to kind of pop my, I'm putting this on. I'm putting it on, you guys, and I'm going to put my spray a couple times. I'm putting it on, I'm like, okay, I'm that girl. So that one, this particular one has hints of hyper real raspberries. I don't know why I be hearing stuff. Anyway, this one has scents of hyper red raspberries. Heart notes are natural hand-picked jasmine. The base notes are clean textured woods and sheer. You guys, this smells so good. If I want to kind of feel like I'm a little edgy, I'm going out with my girls, I'm going to have some drinks, I'm like girls night out, I'm putting this on, you guys. I'm putting it on, I'm spraying it a couple times. This smells so freaking good, so sexy, so fresh, you guys. I mean, you literally have to get this one in your collection. This one is kind of like, and it's not super expensive. I think I paid about maybe $115. I have the 2.5 ounce bottle is the one I have. You guys, look at this packaging on it. It's so freaking cute. I just love the packaging. But yeah, this one I think I had the 2.5 ounce bottle, you guys, and it smells so freaking good. You really can smell those hints like the raspberry in there, but it's not like overly fruity. It's kind of like a good balance. But definitely, if you're wanting to like go out girls night out, going out for drinks with your girls, like date night, you need this in your collection. You got to have that one because that one just kind of makes you feel like, you know, girl, I'm going out, you know, I still got it. So yeah, this one is definitely one. I told my sister about it. My baby sister, she loves perfume. She's a perfume junkie, and she was like, yeah, I gotta have it. I gave her like a sample one that I had of it. She was like, yeah, I gotta have it. Anyway, you guys, so that's pretty much all of my recommendations for perfumes for 2024. Those are my top 5. You got to try any of these. You let me know in the comments if you guys already tried any of these. Let me know in the comments what I love to know what you guys think about any one of these perfumes. But yeah, I'm just kind of new to perfume, starting my collection now. I haven't been a perfume girl for a long time, but I'm loving the vibes, I'm loving the perfumes all of a sudden. So if you're interested in seeing like what I pick up next, let me know in the comments below. I'll let you guys know. I may do a part 2 to this video if you guys are interested in what I pick up next. But y'all, these are my top 5 recommendations for perfumes for 2024, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about my top recommendations. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.